Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to unbox Porsche 9285 Safari. So it is part of HW dot, which is 10 out of 10 and 245 of 250. So today we have a special diecast. Actually, it is part of the treasure hunt. So I am really excited to unbox this package. So are you guys with me? Yes, so let's unbox this. So as you can see here, it is a Porsche 9285 Safari. So I bought this at MRP. Actually I was very lucky. Because of that reason I got at MRP, because nowadays scalpers are already everywhere. So you know what scalpers mean. I guess the real Hot Wheel collectors already know the term scalper means. So as you can see here, the card art is looking gorgeous actually. So this is a real model, and as you can see here, the logo here, the flame logo, the black flame logo. I hope you guys are able to see it. This is actually the flame which are signified in Hot Wheels, means it is a part of treasure hunt. Okay, so as you can zoom, maybe it will not able to, I guess you guys are not able to see the flame logo here in the art card also. But okay, when I will going to when I will go and unbox it, you guys will able to see it. But for now, as you can see here, the card is looking amazing, and the card art is also very vibrant and beautiful. Personally I like this treasure hunt. Actually I was searching for a long time. So let's unbox this Hot Wheels. Here it is. Okay, nice. So as I am saying earlier, as you can see here, here is a logo which is a black flame logo. I think you guys are able to see it. So this is actually, that's mean it is a part of treasure hunt. Okay, if you guys ever wonder what is the difference between super treasure hunt, normal mainline cars or treasure hunt. So basically normal mainline cars are normal cars, so where you can buy everywhere, and treasure hunt are little bit rare than normal ones, and the super treasure hunt which is will be gold fire emblem. So that way that those cars are very rare. Okay, I will make a video also on super treasure hunt in future, but now as you can see here, it is a part of treasure hunt. Okay, so now coming to the diecast, the car is looking very good. It is not so heavy or not so, yeah, light. It is a medium casting, and the car style is very good. The vibrant red color, it is pure made of metal, and the chassis is plastic. Okay, and the body is pure metal, but this tire part is plastic. And the rims, I really like the rim color, and the tire section is very good. And as you can see here, let me zoom. As you can see here, the black emblem is here, which is signifying it is a treasure hunt car. So actually Porsche is one of my favorite collection. Actually I do have another Porsche also, which I will make a video of it. So yes, this card is very good, and I was searching for a long time treasure hunt. Now I do have. So yes, I am genuinely happy. Let me know what you think about this casting. If you want to rate me, I will rate around 4.5 out of 5, because of course it is a part of treasure hunt. That is worth for the pointing, and obviously the casting is also looking very good. So because of that reason I am giving it 4.5 out of 5. Okay, so for today the review is here. If you like this review, please leave a comment or subscribe, or it will help me to grow my channel. So that's all for today. Hope you guys like it, this video. Thumbs up.